Here are some tips as a henna artist that I wish I knew when I was starting out. Make sure that you take a deposit for every booking. It sounds logical, but people will screw you over. Been there, done that. You need to respect yourself as an artist and as a professional, and people will naturally share that respect. Clients want to know that they're in good professional hands, so make sure that you never come across as self-deprecating towards your work and just lack confidence overall. If you're a beginner henna artist, make sure that the designs that your clients are showing you are within your comfort zone. It took me years to get to a point where I'm confident replicating pretty much any design that clients show me, but don't be afraid to say something if you don't think you'll be able to copy the reference picture. The last thing you want is a disappointed client. My best practical tip for this is to actually have a set photo album of all the designs that you offer or that you're able to do, and that will just make it a lot easier for clients to pick out. And lastly, even though I have so many more, you need to genuinely love what you do and don't overwork yourself. Make sure that your clients are always your priority, but at the same time, make sure that you set your necessary boundaries to never be in a difficult situation. I have many more, so like for a part 2.
يزال الخير حيا لا يزال إن في الدنيا سلاما وظلال أخبر الأيام أنها في وصال قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال كن كما غيث على الأفياء ماطر صوته يروي قلوبا وخواطر نفعه عم البوادي والحواضر قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال لا يزال الخير حيا لا يزال إن في الدنيا سلاما وظلال أخبر الأيام أنها في وصال قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال قم بنا وانظر لآيات